If you want to supply your customers with the most competitive, efficient and reliable machinery, this is the event for you. It's not a sales pitch. This is an engineer-led workshop where you get plenty of opportunity to get your hands on the kit and ask our experts all those difficult questions. So this is your first opportunity to see the latest Mitsubishi product launches. We've got the brand new MX controllers, the D800 inverter drives, the energy efficient EMA motors and the brand new GOT 3000 series HMIs. We've also got some add-on kit. We've got the SICK SEC 100 industrial dash cam. We've got TOSI remote access. Also we've got IAI electrical actuators and Cartesian robots. Put them all together, it's going to be a great day. If you want to build better machines, come along and join us on March the 17th in Blackburn and we'll show you how to do that. But places are limited, so make sure that you click the link and book your places now. We'll see you there.